this process, so I wanted to go through it quickly. First step is going to be click on the Medicare logo and get to the proposal screen. You're going to have to create this proposal, and when you're doing this, you want to do this just as if you were doing an application. Now, for the new telephonic process, the email address will be required. When you get to the proposal screen, that's when you will begin to make your changes, and this is where you will do your selections. So what we're going to do first is make sure that we change the effective date or the proposed effective date, because that will show available plans. I'm going to add the plans. After you log in here the first time, you can add plans that are your favorites. You will see all of the pricing for all of the Medicare supplements. You can see all of the Medicare Advantage plans by clicking on the Medicare Advantage tab. You will see lifetime, prime time, regional PPO, as well as the local PPO. And remember, the local PPO is only going to show up in an available county. You also have the Medicare RX plans. And once you make your selection of what you would like to do, then at that point, you would click the apply button, just as if we were doing it in any other application. So for this demonstration, I'm going to show what it looks like for a Medicare supplement, and then we will go through and fill out the application as we would normally do. Alright, so this is where the application is going to start to be a little bit different. Basically, what you're going to do is, if you're going to send this application to the client, you are going to click on Telephonic Application. Then you're going to hit Save and Continue. At that point, you're going to have to come down and answer a couple more questions and upload any documentation if necessary right here. And are you related to the client? Put any comments that you would like your applicant to see, and then as the agent, you would agree. Pick your second point of contact, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit Send to Applicant. Okay, now you are going to have to make sure that you open the Notice of Replacement Coverage and open the Agent Certification Form. You want to make sure that you open this document. This document needs to be opened, or you won't be able to continue on the application. If there's a replacement, you need to make sure that you go through the proper replacement documents as well, and that has to be opened. Send to Applicant. Now on the next screen, what you're going to be given is a code. Now this code needs to be verbally given to the applicant, because you cannot email that code. For security purposes, you wouldn't want to email that code to the applicant. There would be a major problem there. So verbally give that code to your client. Your client is then going to get an email, and we're going to move to that section next. Alright, so now that you can see the email that the client is getting, they're going to have this big long link that they're going to need to click on that link. And that link is going to bring them into the application. This is where your client would enter in their passcode. It's located here. You verbally give that to them. They would click Continue. They're going to have to go through all of this information, go through the application itself, authenticate everything, confirm your acceptance, and then follow in with the payment information and e-signature. Once they complete that, you will get notification that it is done. Alright, so you'll adapt the same process if you're doing a Medicare Advantage program. That was a Medicare supplement. You could follow the same process as well for our prescription drug plans. Thank you for learning about the telephonic enrollment process. Have a great day.